Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today I am using the Uh Huh Honey palette by Colourpop to create this look. I just wanted to try this out. I couldn't get my hands on it for a while and now I finally have it and I wanted to play with it. So that's what we're doing today. This is the look I came up with, so if you want to see this and just keep watching, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just get started. So I'm going to go in with the Uh Huh Honey palette by Colourpop today. And the first shade I'm going to go in with is this one right here, which is called Stinger. And I'm just taking that on a big fluffy brush. And I'm just going to start buffing this into the crease. Next I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Totally Buggin'. And I'm just going to take that on a smaller blending brush. Let me pick one out. I'm just going to go in with a smaller blending brush. Mine's kind of dirty, but it is what it is. Now going back in with that first shade, I'm going to take just a little bit of it, like very little of it, and with a smaller, more precise blending brush and just go above where we just put that second shade, Totally Buggin'. This will just blend it out nicely and help create more of like a seamless, flawless blend. Next I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Buzzkill. And I'm going to take an even more precise blending brush. This is just from one of the Urban Decay palettes. And just keep that lower and in the crease. Just kind of keep that more precise in there. So I don't know if you can tell, but like my eyeshadow right here is like splitting up and creating like a line, or like it just, I don't know, it does this way too much. It annoys me, but like this eye is perfectly fine. There's not really any like divots or like splits in my eyelid, you know what I mean? But now I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease a little bit with the concealer we used earlier today. Next I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Sweet Spot, and pack this on the inner like half of my eye. And then I'm going to go in the shade Oh Behave and pack that just on the outer portion of my eye. Next I'm going to go in with Buzzkill and a tiny little blender brush and just use this on my lower lash line. Next I'm going to go in with this color right here, which is called Sunburst, and I'm going to use this on the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline with this LA Girl Glide Gel Eyeliner. I'm going to apply some of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going to quick do my eyebrows and then we'll be right back. So because the crease isn't as dark as I want it, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place Nubian palette and go in with this shade right here. And just kind of deepen the crease up a little bit because it's just kind of getting drowned out by this yellow, which I want, but I also want like the crease to look deep as well. And because the Colourpop palette doesn't have anything darker, I'm just going to go in and use this. And then just go in with a brush and blend this out like above where we just put that. So this is the completed look. The only thing I wish that this palette had was like a little bit darker of a brown, because the brown that's in here didn't do enough. It didn't deepen up enough that I like wanted it to, so I had to go in with another deeper shadow, which is fine. I have plenty of sources for that. So it's not a big deal to me, but if someone else wanted this and wants like a deeper look, it's kind of hard to achieve that. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I really like the palette though. I like the colors. Like the yellows are vibrant. Like it's like on my lid, it doesn't like dull down or like look kind of muted when you put them on. So I really like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.